Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Core Web Vitals improvements with Lighthouse, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Lighthouse tool. Type in the URL of the website you want to analyze. Choose the appropriate mode, such as desktop or mobile, based on your target audience. Click the Generate Report button to begin the analysis. Wait for Lighthouse to complete the performance audit. Review the report focusing on the Core Web Vitals metrics. Identify the three main metrics: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Note the individual scores for each metric and any suggestions provided. Start by addressing largest contentful paint, which measures loading performance. Investigate any images or assets flagged as slow to load. Optimize these images by compressing them or using modern formats like WebP. Check your server response times and consider using a content delivery network or CDN. Next, focus on first input delay, which evaluates interactivity. Analyze any JavaScript that may be causing delays in responding to user input. Minimize or defer non-essential JavaScript to improve responsiveness. Use techniques like code splitting to load necessary scripts only when needed. Then, turn your attention to cumulative layout shift, which assesses visual stability. Identify any elements in your layout that shift during loading. Ensure that images, ads, and iframes have defined sizes to prevent layout shifts. Implement consistent spacing and padding for elements that load dynamically. After addressing the suggestions from the Lighthouse report, rerun the analysis to check for improvements. Continue to refine and optimize based on the new score and suggestions. Regularly monitor your Core Web Vitals scores over time. Consider using Google Search Console for ongoing performance tracking. Finally, stay updated on best practices to maintain optimal web performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.